The Großglockner High Alpine Road, an iconic masterpiece of engineering and a testament to nature's grandeur, offers an unparalleled journey through the heart of the Austrian Alps. This scenic marvel is not just a road, it's an unforgettable experience that leads adventurers to the very heart of the Hohe-Tauern National Park, immersing them in the breathtaking landscapes, alpine vistas, and the majesty of Austria's highest peak, the Großglockner. As you embark on this extraordinary alpine adventure, the road weaves its way through dramatic mountain passes, winding serenely through a changing landscape of lush meadows, dense forests, and rugged rock formations. The road's impeccably engineered twists and turns are accompanied by viewpoints strategically placed to offer panoramic vistas that unfold like a symphony of nature. The Pasteurs Glacier, one of the longest glaciers in the Eastern Alps, beckons in the distance, inviting travelers to witness the awe-inspiring process of glacial movement. One of the road's most iconic spots, the Kaiser Franz Joseph Hohe Visitors Center, serves as both an educational hub and a gateway to the Großglockner's glory. From here, visitors are treated to a spellbinding panorama of the Großglockner Peak and its neighboring peaks, casting a spell of reverence for the alpine environment. The center also offers insight into the area's flora, fauna, and the ongoing challenges posed by climate change. The Großglockner High Alpine Road isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey itself. Bikers, cyclists, and motorists revel in the road's twists and turns, the thrill of elevation gain, and the exhilaration of driving amid the alpine wonderland. Travelers can stop at quaint alpine huts along the way, savoring traditional Austrian cuisine while taking in the stunning views. The road is not only a treat for the eyes but also a cultural immersion. En route, the Heiligenblut village showcases its charming traditions, allowing visitors to engage with local crafts and immerse themselves in the mountain culture. The Großglockner High Alpine Road is also a living museum, as various historical exhibits and displays highlight the engineering marvel and the road's rich history. Beyond the stunning landscapes, the Großglockner High Alpine Road serves as a gateway to outdoor adventures. Hiking trails lead through pristine wilderness, while cyclists can tackle challenging ascents and descents. Wildlife enthusiasts might spot marmots, eagles, and chamois amid the alpine terrain. In essence, the Großglockner High Alpine Road is a symphony of nature, engineering, and adventure that invites travelers to connect with the Alps on a profound level. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adrenaline junkie, or a seeker of breathtaking vistas, this road promises an unforgettable journey that captures the very essence of the Austrian Alps.